Today unboxing is on the initial model Nismo R34 GTR Z-Tone Gold, which the color is exclusive to Tarmac Works. I also did a video earlier on the Nismo exclusive R34 in silver. If you missed the video, you can always click on the card above. And now let's take a closer look at the Nismo R34 in gold. It comes in the standard Tarmac Works initial model collect sleeve in white, rather than red for the initial model only version. You can see the label R34 GTR Z-Tone Gold in 1:64 scale. Wow, I like the gold body color, it's brilliant. Although both are R34 as compared with the earlier version in silver, this gold totally gives a different vibe. It comes in a standard base, similar to the Nismo exclusive. And what I really like about this R34 casting is the finishing. I'm really impressed with the carbon fiber hood on the R34. Initial model really nails it and is beautifully executed. The rear spoiler looks aggressive in carbon fiber. I have no problem going close up on the initial model or any Tarmac Works model because the details are just simply beautiful and accurately displayed. It's really a shame that this model car is clearly for display and also for diecast photography, because the wheelset are jammed, it doesn't roll at all, and it's really a pity. Overall, this R34 is a wonderful casting. I really like the gloss finishing on the gold body, it's very nice. And when compared with the Nismo exclusive R34, you can see that there are different styles in the hood and also on the rear spoiler. Both of these R34 makes a fabulous pair in silver and gold. And other than those variations, all their details are very consistent. This 1:64 R34 is definitely one of the best. More unboxing videos coming up. This Tarmac Works Porsche RWB 930 is a random giveaway to my subscribers who actively comment, like and share my videos in this channel. I will pick the lucky subscriber in the beginning of 2020. So be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!